Practice English listening. An evening walk. It's a calm Tuesday evening, and Sophie is looking forward to her favorite part of the day, her evening walk with her dad. Every night after dinner, Sophie and her dad take a walk around the neighborhood. It's a time for them to talk, laugh, and enjoy the fresh air. Ready for our walk, Sophie? Her dad asks as he finishes washing the dishes. Yes, Dad. I've been waiting all day, Sophie replies, putting on her sneakers and grabbing her light jacket. The sun is setting, and the sky is painted with beautiful shades of orange, pink, and purple. As they step outside, Sophie takes a deep breath. The air is cool and fresh, and she can hear the soft chirping of birds getting ready to settle in for the night. It's so peaceful, she says, smiling at her dad. It is, her dad agrees. I love how everything seems to slow down in the evening. They start walking down their street, passing by houses with lights starting to turn on. Sophie waves to Mr. Johnson, who is watering his garden. Good evening, Mr. Johnson, she calls out. Good evening, Sophie. Good evening, Mr. Parker. Mr. Johnson replies with a friendly wave. As they continue their walk, Sophie and her dad talk about their day. How was school today? Her dad asks. It was good, Sophie says. We had a fun science experiment with baking soda and vinegar. It made a big fizzy mess. Her dad laughs. That sounds like fun. I remember doing that experiment when I was in school. What else did you do? Sophie thinks for a moment. We also had a spelling test. I think I did well, but I'm not sure if I got all the words right. I'm sure you did great, her dad says, patting her on the back. You've been studying a lot. As they walk, they reach the park at the end of their street. The park is quiet, with only a few people walking their dogs or sitting on benches. Sophie loves the park in the evening because it's peaceful and calm. Can we sit by the pond for a while, Dad? Sophie asks. Of course, her dad replies. They walk over to the small pond and sit on a bench. The water is still, reflecting the colors of the sunset. Sophie watches as a family of ducks swims by, the ducklings following closely behind their mother. Look at the ducks, Dad. They're so cute, Sophie says softly. Yes, they are, her dad agrees. It's nice to just sit and watch them. They sit quietly for a few minutes, enjoying the peacefulness of the park. Sophie leans against her dad, feeling happy and content. I love our evening walks, Dad, she says. It's my favorite time of the day. I love them too, Sophie, her dad replies. It's a special time for us to spend together. After a while, they stand up and continue their walk around the park. As they walk, they see the first stars starting to appear in the sky. Look, Dad, there's the Big Dipper, Sophie says, pointing up. Her dad looks up and smiles. You're right, Sophie. You have a good eye for the stars. They walk back towards their house, enjoying the cool evening breeze. Sophie holds her dad's hand, feeling safe and happy. Thank you for taking me on these walks, Dad, she says. You're welcome, Sophie. It's my pleasure, her dad replies. I hope we can keep doing this for a long time. As they reach their house, Sophie looks up at the sky one last time. The stars are shining brightly now, and the moon is beginning to rise. She feels grateful for the time she spends with her dad and for the simple joys of their evening walks. They go inside, and Sophie gets ready for bed, thinking about all the fun they had. She knows that tomorrow evening, they will go for another walk, and she can't wait.